The Vollara Air and Surface Pro is a powerful surface and air purification unit designed to help you and your family experience safer surfaces and breathe healthy air every day. The Vollara Air and Surface Pro features a new and improved patented ActivePure cell that helps destroy over 99.9% of all surface and airborne contaminants faster. The easy-to-use controls on the front of the unit offer solutions that are customizable to your environment, like 5 fan speeds, separate controls for normal surface and air purification, and increased smoke and odor control, as well as maintenance reminders. The Vollara Air and Surface Pro improves the quality of indoor surfaces and air in spaces from 500 square feet up to 3,000 square feet and utilizes positive and negative multi-point and RF ion generation, activated carbon and HEPA filters, along with our proprietary ActivePure technology to effectively treat exposed surfaces and air. Our ActivePure technology produces safe, low-level oxidizers and superoxide ions for basic everyday applications and is proven effective in several independent studies against bacteria, viruses, mold, and fungi on surfaces and in the air. ActivePure technology destroys over 99.9% of the harmful contaminants that can be left on surfaces between cleanings and significantly reduces dust, pet dander, and odors that regularly occur in the home or office. ActivePure technology is the only exclusive surface and air purification technology awarded the prestigious Certified Space Technology Seal of Approval, and in 2017 was inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame by the Space Foundation. Because ActivePure is both safe and powerful, it's an ideal solution for all kinds of people and places. Homeowners, pet lovers, asthma and allergy sufferers, caregivers, health advocates, educators, athletes, and more. The Vollara Air and Surface Pro is the smart solution for everyone.